Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious vanilla cheesecake that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious cream cheese vanilla cake, these are the ingredients. I have vanilla paste, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 pinch of salt, condensed milk, evaporated milk, 5 eggs, of course, 1 bar of cream cheese. This is everything we need, so let's get started. Of course, first things first, I'm going to prepare the mold where I am going to add the liquid and make this amazing cheesecake. Look at this. I'm adding parchment paper right on the bottom, making sure that this is nice and tight so nothing comes out. Just add it on the bottom, and with some scissors, take the excessive out, or you could even flip it up if that's what you want. But of course, you still need a baking sheet just in case the liquid comes out. Okay, but this is done. Now we're gonna cover the edges, the inside edges of the baking dish. I have another parchment paper here, which I'm gonna cut like this. Very easy. I am sure that once you make this cheesecake, you are really going to love it. It's not too heavy. It's just really delicious and moist and nice and light. Of course, the flavor amazing because I'm using vanilla paste. Of course, you could use vanilla extract. Just make sure that it's good vanilla. And here I am going to start cutting the edges off. Let me show you how easy it is so that you have the mold covered from the inside. How are we going to stick this into the mold? Look at this. Just make sure that everything is nice and covered before you add the mixture of the cream cheese inside. I am going to use a little bit of the baking spray so I could spray the edges of the mold. Let me show you. It's very easy to cover the mold from the inside so that nothing comes out and nothing is sticking when you release the cheesecake. Okay, I sprayed all the edges. Now I'm ready to stick the parchment paper right on the walls, just like that. Really doesn't take too long, but this is a very important step, making sure that you cover the whole entire inside of your baking dish. I'm going to use a little piece for this side, and then this is ready. Look at this. Okay, let's start making this amazing cheesecake. Like I always say, when you bake at home, everything comes out perfect. Well, here, this is ready. I'm going to put it aside, and I'm going to start with my eggs. I have 5 room temperature eggs. You want to make sure that you break them in a separate bowl just in case one comes out bad, okay? So I am going to go ahead, add my room temperature eggs. To this, I am going to add my vanilla paste. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla paste. Like I said, if you don't have vanilla paste, you could use vanilla extract. Okay, this is done. Now I am going to transfer it into my blender. I'm going to add this in here. To this, I am going to add the cream cheese. The cream cheese is at room temperature. I took it out of the refrigerator 1 hour before this recipe, so it's still nice and soft. Now I'm adding the evaporated milk. I'm going to add the condensed milk. Of course, making sure that I get all the condensed milk out of the can. Once this is done, we are ready to blend. Don't forget to always preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit so it's nice and hot. And here I'm adding a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Okay, let's get ready and let's blend. Okay, we are ready to pour the mixture into our baking dish. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. It's going to go in the oven for 40 minutes, no more than 40 minutes. When you take it out of the oven, it's gonna be still a little jiggly from the top, but that's okay. There's no need to put any stick inside to see if it's cooked all the way. Look how beautiful this looks. After 40 minutes, it's nice and golden brown from the top. Like I said, it's jiggly. And now look at this. Look how beautiful it came out. Before you enjoy it, put it in the refrigerator at least 1 hour before you cut it. Here, I couldn't wait and I cut my slice because this smells amazing. And look how beautiful it came out. If you liked and loved this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Thank you so much for being part of my family. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this amazing cheesecake. This is the part I really love and enjoy. It's so fluffy, so moist. You guys need to make it. It's perfect for after dinner. You want to have a delicious dessert. Well, this is the perfect dessert. Excuse me. It melts in your mouth. It's that delicious. It's really moist. I know your mouth is watering. Make this amazing cheesecake. When you bake with love, everything comes out amazing. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. See you soon. Bye-bye. Amazing.